Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be discussing how to use Windscribe VPN for CapCut. So a lot of you guys use CapCut, like for example myself. As you can see, I have CapCut here and I want to use it, but a lot of time just a lot of issues happen. Some effects are blocked or stuff like that. So for that, Windscribe coming to action. If you want to use it, simply head over to the site and make sure to download it for your Mac or Windows PC. You're going to be clicking onto this download option, then it is going to be taking us to the direct download links. As you can see, Windows, Mac OS, and even it is available for Linux, and you can download it for that. And yeah, so like for example, you can download using this option and directly it is going to be downloading, as you can see here. So then make sure to connect it to the preferred server, like for example any area where CapCut is going to be working perfectly. And that's how, my friend, you can use Windscribe VPN for CapCut.